So I keep getting asked what my 10-week course is going to include. And so I wanted to cover that today in a little video. This one will be a little longer just because I'm going to go through each week and talk about what we're going to do, but I'm really excited about this. You can get 40% reimbursed on this through Custom Fit. And this is for Utah businesses in the Ogden area, Layton area, Box Elder area. You can come to this course. It'll be held at the Ogden Technical College campus at the BDO. And it'll be 10 weeks. So week 1, we're gonna go into the 5-step strategic marketing plan. I'll cover what that is with you, and we'll also define your who. And then week 2, we're gonna unlock the power of your why and understanding your business's why, the unique selling proposition for your company, and we'll define that. Week 3 is gonna be about research. We'll talk about keywords, how to figure out what people are looking for, the low-hanging fruit, so that you can get that business as easily as possible. And then in week 4, we're actually going to talk about free or very inexpensive marketing techniques that you can use to save money and still market your business and get the word out there. And then week 5, this is branding. This can be your game changer. Figuring out how your brand is going to make an impact in the market is crucial. Week 6, marketing layers, making sure that you're not just doing one thing, that you have multiple layers that are all adding into each other. Week 7, co-marketing, loss leaders, and building a sticky brand, one that people remember and they like to come back to. And then week 8, we're going to talk about content marketing, AI, how to utilize AI to make your life easier. Week 9 is crucial because we're going to teach you how to analyze, evaluate, and then adjust as you go to maximize your impact and maximize your budget that you're spending. And then in week 10, I'll teach you how to become an authority in your industry, how to use your expertise to get people to increase their trust in you and your company. And this is not just about learning. This is a transformational course. And so one of the things that we're going to be doing is a mastermind at the end of each course. So we'll have the lesson. It'll be very hands-on. We'll dig into your business and put the details down. You will have actionable items each day to take with you and to implement in your business. And then before we leave each day, we'll do a mastermind session where we're able to tackle specific problems in your business. It'll be an extremely impactful, powerful moment. And so I highly recommend jump on today, sign up. If you get going early enough, there's an early bird discount, but it's going to be an awesome class. I'm looking forward to it. We have limited seats, and so get signed up, get your tuition paid, and then qualify with Custom Fit so that you can get that 40% reimbursement. I'm super excited about this. It's going to be a lot of fun. Can't wait to see you there.